In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Draw tool on Audacity. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Audacity application, which of course it is right here. Now you can get Audacity using any browser of your choice. Just go ahead and Google in the search bar, type Audacity. It's going to take you to the official website. Follow the on-screen prompt to download, and after downloading, install. And once you're done with the process of installing, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have a great time on Audacity. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to use Draw tool on Audacity. So first things first, all we need to do is to, of course, create a voice audio. And how do we do that? Let's go ahead to record. The top corner of the screen, you're going to see this red circle that signifies or symbolizes the record. So go ahead and click on that. Hello, welcome to Basic Value channel. And just like the name sounds, you're gonna get value in its basic form. You're gonna get everything that you need in just one go. All you need to do is to just stay tuned with us and you're gonna be good to go. So click on stop. So now that I've clicked on stop, it means I have an audio now. So now that I have a voice audio, let's go ahead and see how we can apply the Draw tool. So here, as you can see at the top corner, you're gonna see all of these tools. You see the selection tool, and this is envelope tool, this is Draw tool, and this is multi-tool. So let's see how we can apply Draw tool. So what's Draw tool and what's the use of Draw tool? Draw tool makes it easier for you to zoom in on the details, each of the details of your frequency. So once you get and you zoom into the details of the frequency, you will now be able to tweak the frequency to what you want. That's if you know what kind of frequency that you want. So I'm just gonna have to click on this Draw tool. All you need to do is to click on it. So once you click on it, click on this, click on this. So click on the audio now. So it says to use Draw tool, zooming further until you see the individual samples. All right, so okay, how do you zoom in? Head over to the top corner of the screen and you're gonna see those options, zoom in and zoom out. So click on zoom in. So zoom in, just click on that, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Now you can use the Draw tool. So I'm just gonna zoom out and you're gonna see this. So you can use the Draw tool here. Zoom out. You can also use the Draw tool. Zoom out. You can use the Draw tool here. So you can use the Draw tool. So see, to use Draw to zoom in further. So in this place, you can't use the Draw tool because the individual sample is not shown. So zoom in. Let's see if you can use the Draw tool. Now you can use the Draw tool. So here, until it gets to this point, then you cannot see the individual samples. So these are the individual samples. So like I said, essence of Draw tool is that when you see the individual samples, you can now draw what kind of frequency that you want to have in your song. So let's say hold down the left button of your mouse or on your PC that's on your mouse, and then you can now draw this to what you want. So use your mouse. So once you hold down the left, you can now use your mouse to draw this. Just keep moving. Just keep moving and just keep moving. As you can see, you can also apply the same for this. So that's it. That's pretty much simple. So once you play your audio, you're going to see that all of these effects are definitely going to reflect. So just go ahead and play your song and so I'm just going to have to put a pause on it or stop on it. So this is it. So you can just keep drawing and keep drawing until you get the desired effect. So this is how you can use the Draw tool or apply the Draw tool to your voice audio or to any audio that you have on Audacity. Go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you're good to go. I hope this video marvelously helps you search.